got rice. Delicious coffee.
This is not yours. This is Mama. Spanish. This is ours.
I really do like it.
Okay. Sarap pa.
Hi, Hayay. So, are you struggling to do that? Easy.
Dip it.
Just have a little dip, dip, dip.
Ay, hulog.
Oh, David! We're in the sea.
Tama to.
We're here outside, right there. Oh,
Doesn't it look so cool?
oh, Mr.
Dito ba dito mo?
David. Oh,
my God. Uy, ang sarap naman yan. Bakit dito sa horn? Hindi tayo kakain.
Okay, bye-bye.
Tulog mo na yun. Brown mo.
So yummy.
Parehas na sila, Ma.
Yeah.
Ay, parehas sila.
This is going to be cool.
Yan yung in-order sinabi mo sa akin, tapos ngayon tatanungin mo ako, ba't pareho?
Always was up
Kala ko itong order.
every place.
It's a chopstick.
Ang dungis na niya.
How about you try this?
Ay, ba't may spam sa akin sa'yo?
It's quite
Meron
heavy.
din, malamang kasi isa lang yung order niya. Ayun.
Meron.
Sabi ko sa amin yun.
Hindi, iba to kasi. Ito yung overload.
Look,
So
no cheese.
Order.
Spicy. Look, pizza.
You pray, hayay. Alam mo ba, minsan, kapag nakakalimutan namin mag-pray, biglang tatayo to kahit tulog na. Sabihin niya, pray na, mama.
Ay, look ko. Ay,
Ah. Upong Miss Universe ako dito, ha? Ha?
This is basically
Uy,
ASMR.
spicy. Spicy yung ano nga.
Or maybe.
baka samyang yung nabili mo.
Pareho lang. Yung sinasabi nila doon na cheesy, same lang ng ano. Hindi sila pwede nito.
What the? This was mine, but how did it turn into that?
Bite.
Ang sarap naman.
What's that, Yaki?
That's supposed to be yours.
Ang sarap naman itong gusto ko. Ganun ako.
Ito pa yung try.
There's a little bit.
Para na rin tayo nag-ano, mag-inasunod.
Kasi maraming order eh. Kung inasal yung order,
I have an idea.
mas mura siya.
Is this going to be? Is this going to be good?
Ang sarap na to.
Is this going to be good?
It is
I basically dipped in
Yeah.
this, and then I'm going to dip it.
Dude, it's so
Cheesy.
cheesy.
Cheesy
Pero,
overload.
uy, spicy ha?
Yeah. Good.
It's super spicy, you just drink. Yung isa dyan, puro drinks. Eat your donut, hayay.
May tubig kayo, ha? Okay. Under what time pala kayo? 2 a.m.
Kung kailan wala na tayo sabihin, may saka tayo nakapunta dito.
14 sa. Ano Wala.
This is
Honey
tok.
garlic.
This is tteokbokki.
Look, honey garlic. Snow cheese, honey garlic.
Kanta tayo ah.
Ha?
I don't know.
Cheese.
Ayoko.
Cheese.
Meron ako Spanish dati.
Candy mouth. Back.
This is really yummy. Oh, that thing has the. This fry has the most
Try mo na yun.
cheese.
Di ba try yan?
Kahit 7-Eleven.
Try ba tayo niya? Kailan ba tayo?
Oh,
Sabi na Leben.
Kailan?
More space, more.
Sino kasama mo nun?
Kailan?
Yung pumunta tayo nang sabi ko, ano, may video ka.
Soju? Soju ba yun?
Ah, soju. Ayun po, rice wine, tapos mag...
Oo.
Balo.
Ano bang naisip?
Masubi na rin ko.
I feel like I'm at Japan.
Ang hirap talaga daw po kanina agad.
Gusto nga natin dito.
Busog mo kaya?
Parang may...
Here.
Hi.
Pinagma tayo ah. Trigma.